Welcome to the video 4 of the stringr set. Right now we're going to talk about anchors, which just says that the caret sign, the power mark, is going to match the start of a string. The dollar sign will match the end of a string, and you can use both to match the entire string. So the mnemonic that we will use is starts with power, ends with money. Okay. So we'll do some examples. Here is our vector x, and if I just do string view of x, finding a, it finds the first occurrence of a in each of those. But if I did the same thing, but I said, oh, I want to find where the string starts with a, then it will find the string that's the occurrence that starts with a. If I did the same thing, but instead I say put the dollar sign at the end, that means ends with a, and I find the one that ends. Now let me do some strings that have some things in common. So here's a string that has hair, haircut, and long hair. So here's my vector y, and I could do, and all of these things are pipeable, so I'll just use the pipe just so you get used to it. I could do string view, and I just want to find hair. Finds every occurrence of the word hair. I do the same thing, and I say I want it to start with, so I need the power sign, hair, and it finds the two that start with hair. If I did the same thing, but now ends with, and if I wanted to anchor it on both ends, so I want to find an exact match, then I want to say it starts and ends with that word, and then it finds that one occurrence where that's the case. Now you have several data sets that are built into stringr, and we're going to utilize one of them right now. It's a data set called words. So let's just see what's in words. Wow, we have 980 or so words that are included. So this we'll use to practice a lot of these things. So for instance, if I wanted to find all of the words that start with WO, right? I could say, okay, words. Let's see, I wanted to start with, oops, I need to do my quotes, starts with WO. Oh, it's going to print the whole list. Well, let's do that again, and let's give it the option match equals true. That way it'll only show me the ones where there was a match. Okay, so that's one of the tricks you're going to need to use. What if I wanted all words that were exactly 11 characters long, but I don't want to use the string length? So let's see, how might I do that? Let's see, string view, I want words, and then I want it to start with anything, but I want it to be 11 long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and end. All right, so that's an exact match. Oh, let's do match equals true so it doesn't produce the whole list. And in your homework, please do match equals true for those. And there we go. There's the words that are 11 characters long that are in the words list. This is the conclusion of the 4th video. You have an exercise. Your 6th exercise is to look in the same list of words and first show me all the words that start with Y. Next, show me all the words that end in an X. Okay, with this will conclude video 4. Come back for video 5 where we'll talk about character classes and alternatives.